Hello, say you have public URL with your JSON data in format of array, and each JSON represents one piece of data, and you want to put the data into your BigQuery. Here how to do that with the add-on. You need to go to JSON URL to BigQuery in New Task tab. Select enter your URL here, or just use one of my samples like this one. And next select your BigQuery project and dataset. Use some name like tasks and load my data to BigQuery. After that, your data will be loaded and you will have your new task done. You can rename the task or jump right to BigQuery to see the result and to query it. So here, after loading our tasks, we have this query button, and in New tab I will show you what we have in BigQuery. I need to select all. So here my query is done. I just click run or control enter to run it, and I see the result. You see, this one is just what was imported for me from our JSON data from here. Now I can make my queries, make some BI reports, and etc.